I'm going to do a review on the DeLonghi coffee espresso machine. You can use whole bean, or up here you can pour in pre-ground coffee. Here, whole bean. I've already poured whole bean in here, but this is, you can fill it on up. Put the coffee cap back on. Turn the machine on. It'll make some sounds for a while, but when it stops making the noise, you can select the size, 16, 20, 24, 3 ounces the espresso for espresso coffee. It pressurizes the coffee different under the 3 ounce, but everything else, 8 and 12, is the size of a coffee cup. Then you can have it over ice. This is where you would use the pre-ground coffee, light roast, gold roast, or bold roast. I like bold. Make sure you have a cup under it. You can have a small cup here, or I'll use a larger cup. Put that underneath there, and then press brew. You can hear it grind the coffee. And you can smell the aroma of that coffee. Boy, is that good. It's completely done when this symbol here goes away and the time comes back. So I really don't I don't touch the glass until it's complete. Now it's complete. "12 ounces of fresh ground coffee."
Hi everybody, I just want to show you this DeLonghi coffee maker. Like I said in my review, this is one of the best machines that I've ever had. I owned a DeLonghi once before and it was worth every penny, and this is why I went with a DeLonghi again. As I don't know if many of you know, but the Cuisinart brands are terrible. They only last a year or two after spending all that money. Anyways, I just wanted to show you, here are your different settings, right? For whatever amount of coffee you want to make. This is your type, and then you hit brew. And I just want to show you a really cool feature that this comes out. Because we were worried that we were going to have to, empty the coffee grinds every time you make a coffee. Well, you don't need to. I would say there is about 4 coffees made so far in here, and there's still lots to go. You would just empty this out at your convenience. I would say probably once a week. And there's a little water, probably steam reservoir that you have to empty out. Anyways, and then it shows you the inside and the step-by-step booklet, which actually has pictures, which makes everything very convenient and very well laid out. Hats off to the people that did this. Anyways, this is how you would thoroughly clean it if you wanted to go through, which I haven't done that step yet. Anyways, I would say this is amazing. This cup for just like a single cup if you want to put here. And just to show you the difference with the, like if you had a cup or even one that was bigger, this would fit a large one, a large size. And yeah, this is definitely one of the best machines I've ever seen. And we've tested out a few. This is where you would put your beans. This is where you would put your pre-ground. Anyways, it was worth all of the money. And I would highly recommend this machine, 100%.